Hi everyone, and welcome to Sweet Math. Today we have another fun geometry challenge. In this problem, we're given a quarter circle. This horizontal segment is 15 units long, this vertical segment is 13 units, and this bottom segment is 9 units. All the marked angles are right angles. Your challenge is to find the radius of the quarter circle. Before we begin, pause the video. Try solving it yourself and leave your answer in the comments. Now, let's solve it together. First, notice that a radius is simply a line segment from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. So if we connect the center to this point, we've drawn a radius. That immediately gives us a right triangle. In this triangle, the hypotenuse is r. One leg is 15, but what is the length of the other leg? If we draw this dashed line, we can see that this side is made of two parts. The upper part is 13, and let's call the lower part y. So the total length of this side is 13 plus y. The square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So r squared equals the quantity 13 plus y, all squared, plus 15 squared. Now let's expand the quantity 13 plus y, all squared. Using the identity a plus b, all squared, equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. After simplifying, we get r squared equals y squared plus 26 times y plus 394. Now we have one equation but two unknowns, so we need another equation. Let's connect the center of the circle to this point. This is also a radius, so we get another right triangle. Again, the hypotenuse is r, one leg is y. Now let's find the third side. Notice that it's made of two segments. The left segment is 9, and the right segment is 15. So together, their total length is 24. Applying the Pythagorean theorem again, we get r squared equals y squared plus 24 squared. After simplifying, r squared equals y squared plus 576. Now we have two equations and both are equal to r squared. That means their right-hand sides must also be equal. The y squared terms cancel out. Subtract 394 from both sides. This gives us 26 times y equals 182. Now divide both sides by 26. We get y equals 7. But we're not looking for y, we're looking for r. So we substitute y equals 7 into either equation. That gives us r squared equals 625. Finally, take the square root of both sides, and we get r equals 25. And that's the answer. And if you enjoy geometry challenges like this, don't forget to subscribe to Sweet Math. Thanks for solving it with me, and I'll see you in the next challenge.